Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. And in today's video I will be taking you through a platform called CPA Group. And maybe you are new to this channel. My name is Julius, and on this platform I do come back to come and tell my funds, end up the website that is working for me. And if you see my platform now, you are going to see $9.84. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start making even $1. Peradventure you have not start making money from online space. And what am I going to do for you to know maybe this money is real or it's not real? I'm going to refresh this page. And if you still have it there, it means this is real. And if otherwise, it means this is scam. So let me refresh it. So the page has been refreshed now, and $9.84 is still what you are still seeing there, meaning that this is a real money here. And I want you to be with me from beginning to the end, because you can't just start making money online without knowing the strategy and the method you can go to apply. That's one. Then you also need to be consistent. Then different method is what some YouTube YouTubers are showing that this method is working, this method is working. I just want to advise you as a beginner that you just need to stick with one method. Maybe you are using a Facebook, or you are using Pinterest, or you are using a Twitter, or Instagram, based on what you are using. But I will want you to stick with one method. Moving from one step to another, moving from one method to another method will not pay you. But let's see how I'm going to drive you to the end of this video. And you yourself at the end, you see that this channel is the channel you're supposed to have been watching all this while. So within 3, 4, 5 minutes now, I'm going to be taking you through a platform called CP Group. And in my various videos, I was able to demonstrate how to open a CPA group. And if you still don't know how to open it, go to any of my videos and you are going to get them there. So let's drive to today's video. So the first thing you are going to do right now, once you have opened your account or you have opened your platform, it's going to look like this as I told you. So what you need to do right now, there are many methods you can use to get money on this CP group. It's either you use monetization tools. Under the monetization tools, you are going to be using the content locker. If I click my content locker now, you are going to see different lockers I've already made. So let me click it and you can see these are the different lockers I've already made. Or if it is a URL file locker, let me click on this one. You are going to see this one as well. These are other videos I've done on a URL file locker. Or if it is a video locker, let me open it as well. These are other videos I've made under these video lockers. So, but what I'm going to be showing you this today now is very simple. So you need to come to your offer tools. You click offer tools. When you click offer tools, you come back to my offer. When you click my offer, this one is going to show you different offers. And when you see your countries here, the very country you are is where it's going to show you without using any of the VPN without using any of other devices. You can see Nigeria here simply because I'm in Nigeria. That's why you are seeing Nigeria here. And there are some other parameters or other metrics you need to put in place. Like you can see here, this is show all of our platform. It means this one is going to show you maybe you are using a desktop, or you are using a Android, or you are using the Apple iOS. Well, only this one is going to show you desktop. Why this one is only going to show you Apple iOS. Why this one is going to show you Android. Then that's first. The other one is the category. Under here, you need to show the type of offer you want. Here you are going to see other categories. If I click on the down arrow now, you are going to see different categories here. Here you are going to see mobile install. You are going to see pin submit. You are going to see email submit. You are going to see credit card. But being a learner or being a beginner, the most converting offer is a CPA email SIP submit. So I'm going to click this one now. By clicking this one now, it's going to show me different emails SIP submit that is under Nigeria. So you can see all this. I think you are seeing all this now. These are different things you can see here. So that is that. Then, once you know that one, and the next thing you need to do now, you need to choose the most payout. And for you to choose the most payout now, you need to click this up and down arrow under this payout here. You click on this one. If you click on this one now, you can see the most payout under Nigeria here is 0.2 cent, 0.2 cent. If I move down, you are going to see that they are just a minute cent you can generate here. And that is why many at times we do get out of our own comfort zones. For instance now, if I want to choose any other offer that can give me like $1, $2, $5, $10 and above, I will need to get out of this Nigeria here. And how am I going to do that? What I'm going to do here right now, this down arrow, I will need to click on it. When I click on this, I want to go to, you are going to see different countries here. I want to use either United States of America, or I want to use UK, or I want to use Canada, or any other thing. So for instance, for the purpose of this video, I will be using the UK and United States. So let me use United States now. So United States. So this is United States. So you are going to click on this one. By clicking on this one now, all the offers that is email success submit is going to come out. You can see here right now, like I told you the other time, for you to get the highest payout, you need to click this up arrow under the payout. So you click on this one. By clicking on this one now, you can see that you are having $3.08. If I scroll down, you are having $3.08. See, you are all seeing that these are all $3. Meaning that if you can get 10 of this, you are going to make around $30 and something cent here. Unlike Nigeria, that if I come here right now, if I go back to Nigeria here, so Nigeria here, Nigeria, if I go back to Nigeria here, and you are seeing here right now that the offer here is just $2, 12, this is 12 cents now, meaning that I can't make much here. Then if I multiply this one by 10 now, it's going to give me around 12, this is going to give me $12 dollar. And multiplying US dollar, where I'm getting 33.0 something dollars, I'm going to make $30 dollars. You can see the difference. That there are many differences here. So we need to go back to United States or the United Kingdom. So let's go back to United States here or the United Kingdom here. So this is United Kingdom. And for United Kingdom as well, you are going to see here, you are going to click this one as well. And by clicking this one as well, you can see that the highest here is $1.63. And the other one is as well $1.63. So you can see where you can get the highest pay is this United States. So you need to come back to United States here. United States here. So this is United States. And you can see here right now, like I was telling you that this is the area you can see three now. This is $3. This is $3. This is $3. So this is the first part now. The next thing now is for you to choose your traffic. And for you to choose your traffic, is either you choose Facebook. And if you come to Facebook here right now, you are going to have a different group here. And you should not forget that the offer here right now, if you see this one now, this is naked gift card. It means that if you come to Facebook here, you need to come back to this search bar here. By coming to this search bar, you're going to write gift card here. Gift card. Gift card. So by putting gift card there, you click enter. When you click enter, then it's going to come down like this. And when it comes down like this, you are going to click a group. By clicking group here, then it's going to give you different offers in a different gift card. You can see this offer right now that like they here now. You need to move down now, join different group here. So all this group now that is one member, this a member, they are not the best. Or on the other hand, you can as well come here, just write giveaway, right? Give away. By putting gift away now, or free, you write a free gift, free, freebies, freebies, write a freebies for United Kingdom, for USA, since there is this United States. Then you click enter. When you click enter, the next thing you need to do right now, you scroll down. And by scrolling down, you click group. When you click group now, it's going to give you different groups that have all this. So, having know how to choose your offer, having know how to run traffic to it, I think I've shown you what I need to show you for this video. This is just the part one of this video. I want you to wait for part two. So on this note, I want to bring this video to an end here. And if you have enjoyed this video or you have gotten an information from this video, and peradventure you are new to this channel, what I will want you to do right now, that is not going to cost you any time, just click the subscribe button and as well click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So I love you and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.